Hello guys, my name is Sugam Chandam. Now I am going to give a demo of my project Virtual Assistant using Python. If you want the code to my project, could just check the description where I have posted the GitHub code. GitHub link. Okay, now let's start.
Good afternoon, my master Shugam Chand M. Hi, I am Ren, your personal assistant. How may I help you?
Ren, open command prompt.
Okay, master, I'm working on it.
As you guys can see, the command prompt is open. And
I am on it, my master.
Ren, open Notepad.
I am on it, my master.
Same with this also. Just open Notepad. Ren,
Give
uh,
me a second, master.
since the notepad word was again it is just open. Sorry for that.
Give me a second, master.
Okay. By the way, who are you?
Yes, master, I'm processing your request. Hello, I am Ren version 1.0, a virtual assistant created by my master Shugam Chand M.
Okay. Okay. Then search on Google.
Give me a second, master. What do you want to search on Google, master?
Star Wars.
Give me a second, master.
Guys, as you can see, the Star Wars web page is open. Yeah. Ren, could you just open YouTube? Ren, could you just open YouTube?
I am on it, my master. What video you want play on YouTube, master?
Star Wars Episode 8 trailer.
Give me a second, master.
As you guys can see, the trailer is now being played.
When I found you, I saw raw, untamed power.
Uh, Ren,
Give me a second, master.
Ren, could you just tell me a joke?
Give me a second, master. Hope you like this one, master. Complaining about the lack of smoking shelters, the nicotine-addicted Python programmers said there ought to be spaces for tabs. For your convenience, I'm printing it on the screen, master.
Ren, can you give me an advice?
Yes, master, I'm processing your request. Here's an advice for you, master. Only those who attempt the impossible can achieve the absurd. For your convenience, I'm printing it on the screen, master.
Thank you, thank you. Ren, could you just show me top IMDb movies?
Give me a second, master. I'm printing the top 10 of top 250 IMDb movies in the terminal, master. The Shawshank Redemption. The Godfather. The Godfather, Part 2. The Dark Knight. 12 Angry Men. Schindler's List. The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King. Pulp Fiction. I El Buono, I El Brutto, I El Cattivo. The Lord of the Rings, The Fellowship of the Ring.
Yes, yes, thank you. Ren, could you just show me the weather report of my city?
Yes, master, I'm processing your request. Getting the weather report of your city Bangalore, master. The current temperature is 28.14 degrees Celsius, but it feels like 27.15 degrees Celsius. Also, the weather report talks about clouds. For your convenience, I am printing it on the screen, sir.
Thank you, Ren. You may now exit.
Have a good day, master.
Guys, as you can see, Ren just exited. So, thank you. I will in the recording.